What is the best way to call a script from another script? I have a script named test1.py which is not in a module. It just has code that should execute when the script itself is run. There are no functions, classes, methods, etc. I have another script which runs as a service. I want to call test1.py from the script running as a service. For example, file test1.py, file service.py. I'm aware of one method which is opening the file, reading the contents, and basically evaluating it. I'm assuming there's a better way of doing this. Or at least I hope so.
The usual way to do this is something like the following. test1.py service.py
This is possible in Python 2 using. See the documentation for the handling of namespaces, if important in your case. In Python 3, this is possible using, thanks to Advantastory. However, you should consider using a different approach. Your idea, from what I can see, doesn't look very clean.
Another way. File test1.py. File service.py. The advantage to this method is that you don't have to edit an existing Python script to put all its code into a subroutine. Documentation, Python 2, Python 3.
Using OS, you can make calls directly to your terminal. If you want to be even more specific, you can concatenate your input string with local variables, EA.
If you want to simulate, press Ctrl+C skriving.